Hi, this is tutorial of how to start the engine on Dufour 43. So this is the panel where you operate the system. First I'm gonna press on button and wait for the signal. And then I'm gonna press and hold the start button. Now I'll move engine forward and engine backward. If you want to use throttle only, you press this button and then go forward. If you want to go completely neutral, you just go in the middle. When you want to stop the engine, you hold this stop button. And then turn off ignition. Recommended maximum RPM is 2500 RPMs. Now I'm gonna show you both thrusters. This is your control panel where you operate the system. First thing you need to is turn on the ignition. When you did this, you need to press the on button and hold for about 2 seconds. Then we are going right and left. When you're finished, just press once. Here is your chart plotter. When you turn it on, you press chart button right here, and then you can see your position. You can build waypoints, routes, and so on. These two panels are navigation system of Raymarine. On this one you can see the depth, speed of the boat, speed of wind and angle, your position, and so on. On the second one is your autopilot. When you want to start it, you press auto button right here, and then you can go +10 or -10. When you're finished, press standby, and now it's in manual again.